Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to set custom fees in Sparrow Wallet. Sparrow Wallet gives you advanced control over Bitcoin transaction fees, which is especially useful when the network is busy or when you want faster confirmation. Bitcoin fees are based on sats per vByte, sat VB not a percentage, and higher fees for the faster confirmation, lower fees for the slower confirmation. And custom fees allows you to save money during low congestion, speed up urgent transaction, manually control confirmation priority. First, open to a Sparrow Wallet, go to the search on the bottom here and select to a Sparrow Wallet, and simply you can open to your existing wallet. As I'm going to select new wallet here and select create. Over here you need to go to the send tab here and you can enter the transaction details, add recipient address, enter amount, adjust the fees. Under the fee section you see a fee slider, a SAT VB rate, estimated confirmation time, and you can click directly on the fee rate field, SAT VB, manually enter your desired fee rate. The total fee will automatically update. Sparrow gives you full control over transaction fees, making it ideal for the advanced Bitcoin users. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.